Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. So today I am making a super creamy and refreshing ice cream. If you love milk-based sweets with nuts, then you are going to love this one. It's soft, creamy and slightly chewy and loaded with almonds and pistachio flavor, perfect for summer or even for guests at home. It's super easy to make with just a few simple ingredients. So let's make the recipe. First, I am taking around 9 to 10 almond, 9 to 10 pistachio and 2 cardamoms. I will add 1/4 cup milk and let it soak for about 10 minutes. This helps soften everything and gives a smoother texture. After 10 minutes, I will blend it into a nice smooth paste. You can already smell that amazing flavor. Next, in another bowl, I am taking 2 tablespoons of corn flour, adding 1/4 cup of milk. Now I will mix it well so there are no lumps, and I will keep this aside. Now in a pan I am taking 2 cups of milk. Letting it come to a boil on medium flame. I will keeping stirring slowly so it does not stick to the bottom. Now I am adding 1/4 cup of sugar, mixing it well until it dissolves. Now I will add the blended nuts mixture and let it cook for a bit. You will see the color getting slightly creamy, and aroma at this point is just amazing. Now I am adding the corn flour mixture and I will keep mixing continuously. This is very important, otherwise lumps can form. Slowly you will see the mixture getting thicker. Just keep cooking until it reaches a nice thick consistency. Once it's thick, I will turn off the flame and let it cool down completely. After it cools, I will blend it once more. This makes the texture extra smooth and creamy. Now I am pouring half of the mixture into a mold, sprinkling some chopped pistachios on top. This adds a nice crunch. Then I will pour the remaining mixture. I will place a baking paper on top. This helps keep the surface smooth. Now I will keep this in fridge for at least 6 hours or overnight for best result. And now it's set. It becomes perfectly firm and creamy. And yes, my creamy nut ice cream is ready. It looks so tasty and absolutely amazing. Perfect for serving guests or just treating yourself. Do try at home and let me know how it turns out. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next delicious recipe.